In this video, we're going to be talking about how to recover deleted Snapchat messages and snaps. So let's just get straight into the video. So recovering deleted Snapchat messages or snap is going to be difficult as they are typically deleted from the servers immediately after being viewed or expiring. The only way and the best method is going to be by using the official My Data download feature. And in order to go ahead and do so, all you need to do is simply go ahead and log in into your account, click on your profile, click on the settings icon, and then you can look for My Data. So My Privacy and Data, My Data, and simply go ahead and click on export data when it is going to show you the option right over here. So simply go ahead and select all of it right over here, and then click on next, and then click on export. So it is as simple as that. I hope this video clarified everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.